Hello everyone, I was browsing on Amazon, which is not always a good idea, and I came across this set of colored charcoal pencils. The box says it's a professional colored charcoal pencil set, and the brand is MISULOVE. I think that's how you say it. So it comes with 12 pencils, all different colors, and it's a set that seems to be geared towards portraits, or at least when I saw the colors, I thought it would be nice for portraits. And since it was very affordable, I decided to order it and give it a shot. So the pencils look really good. They feel nice in my hand. They came unsharpened. So the first thing I did was sharpening them all. I must say I had a hard time, but it's always like that when you have soft core pencils. So whether they're pastel pencils or charcoal pencils, I ended up using the larger hole of my sharpener because it helped sharpen the pencils without breaking the tips. Once I was done with the sharpening, I did some swatches on my homemade sketchbook. The paper in the sketchbook is Stonehenge paper, so it's perfect for colored pencils. And I figured it would be great for those charcoal pencils as well. Those pencils are very basic. They do not have the color names on them, but I figured that since it's a 12 pencil set, then it doesn't really matter. It's very easy to find the color that you want. I tried also blending them and they worked pretty well. Although I ended up covering my white swatch because I forgot that I had put it there because it blended with the paper. For my first test, I wanted to do a portrait because that's pretty much what I bought these for. And they were pretty easy to use for a sketch. I used a blending stump also to blend the colors together and that worked very well. I haven't used either charcoal or pastel pencils in quite a while, so I was kind of going with the flow, didn't have really any plans. I must say that they erase really nicely, but after a while, one thing that I was a bit disappointed about was the black pencil. The core kept on breaking as I was sharpening it, so I ended up having to use an X-Acto knife to sharpen it. Also, sharpening those pencils, they seem to not work very well with my sharpener after a little while. And it seems to be because of the plasticky feel of the paint on the barrel. I'm not sure if that's what it is or not, but I hope it didn't damage my sharpener. I went to get one of my pastel sharpeners by Derwent, and that did the trick for the rest of my drawing session. I used a kneaded eraser to do some highlights, and then I used the cream color to blend everything together, and it worked really well. I was able to fix lots of mistakes, which I thought was pretty neat. Although I had a hard time with the nose for quite a while, had to fix it over and over again. All in all, I thought it was a pretty good experience using those pencils. Once I was done with the Stonehenge paper, I decided to try the drawing on tone paper, and I used my Strathmore Tone Tan sketchbook, and it's just regular drawing paper. It's pretty thin. It's not the mixed media Tone Tan. It worked really well on it too. So all in all, I was pleasantly surprised with those pencils. They are a lot of fun to use. I don't know if they are professional or not, but I had a good time using them. And they kind of feel like between charcoal and pastel pencils. I'm not quite sure what they really are. Thank you all for stopping by today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're feeling super generous, you can always support this channel by clicking on the super thanks button. It's right down there next to the thumbs up and the share buttons. Have a wonderful day everyone. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye bye.